Wow, I feel like we barely got home. Okay, I mean, we literally got home a day ago. If there's one thing that kills me early, it's gonna be an overly busy schedule of too many flights, too early in the morning, 7 a.m. We are going back to the airport. Well, that's not an everyday occurrence. You guys aren't gonna believe me. I'm gonna go down the hallway, see if I can find him again, except Marc Gasol just walked past. I don't know why an NBA player is flying commercial flights in the middle of a season, but Marc Gasol just walked past. In other news, the TSA person that was scanning me was a trainee and took literally 12 minutes to... What's the electric wand? Metal detector, that's the word. Took 12 minutes to metal detector me. Is metal detector a verb? It's definitely not a verb. On the bright side, if he didn't take 12 minutes, I wouldn't have seen Marc Gasol. Well, he seemed like a pretty nice guy. The picture was terrible lighting, which I'm sort of upset about. On another note, he's flying a commercial flight on WestJet. WestJet, I'm 6'4" and I don't have enough legroom. If you're gonna accommodate a 7-foot tall passenger, do better. Add more legroom. They don't even have first class flights on WestJet. I feel so sorry for you, Marc Gasol. I don't know where you're going. Hopefully it's a short flight though.
Welcoming zone number 3, that means all guests are on board.
We're back in New York City. I don't know, I'm workshopping a new Back in New York jingle. I'm so happy to be here. I'm so happy to be, it's only been a month since I haven't been here, but I have missed being here. We are here for Soul Exchange New York, Brooklyn Expo Center. By the time you see this video, the event's going on already. If you live near the Brooklyn Expo Center, come right now. Literally turn off this video and come. This hotel though is really, it's a nice hotel. Comfortable bed, cool patterns on the wall, sizable mirror for all your mirror related needs. The bathroom looks so fancy. I mean, look at this. This is a fancy mirror. Look how swanky the lobby is too. I mean, there's a live band. This is a really nice hotel. I don't know how I got this hotel for this cheap, because it is fancy. So you guys remember how yesterday I was trying to buy a pair of the Yeezy 380s from some dude at home who was gonna give me a really, really good price, then they got stolen out of his locker 10 minutes before he was supposed to come to my condo and sell them to me? Yeah, that sucks. More for him than for me, but I mean, I still didn't get the pair of shoes, which sucks. Thankfully, you guys are the greatest people on earth. One of you guys hit me up on Twitter and said that you had a pair of the Yeezy 380 Aliens for just an obscenely good price. I don't even know if I want to say it out loud. $400. What? So clearly I'm not turning that down, and they're my size. I don't know how I fall into luck like this, but thank you. I love you guys. You are the best. I'm supposed to meet him at the Times Square Foot Locker, I think. I don't know, he just said 42nd Street, so I'm assuming Times Square. How much do they even go for? Like, they go for what, 600 bucks? Probably somewhere around 600, 550 at the very least. $400. I'm very late. He said he's there waiting for me already. Going to Times Square, buying some Yeezy 380s. I don't know how I encounter all these amazing people, but that dude was amazing. Thank you. I'm sort of speechless. It's a little bit freezing cold outside. Let's get back to the hotel. $400. This is the first time I have seen the 380 box in person. I was able to check these out in the Philippines at Big Boy Chang's house, except he doesn't have any of his shoe boxes, so I haven't seen this. It looks so weird. It threw me off when I pulled it out of the box, because I'm so used to seeing 3 and 0, but then the 8. Like, I've seen dozens and dozens and dozens, maybe even hundreds of 350. It just looks, it looks weird. This is just such a unique design, and just massive props to Kanye West and the Yeezy team. Why do Yeezy boxes always fart? It's a new Yeezy model. That's what I'm excited about. It's a new Yeezy model. Apparently these glow, do these glow in the dark? Do they glow in the dark? Okay, this bathroom has a glass door, so I can't tell if they glow in the dark or not. There's like a 50% chance that these things glow in the dark. Retail on these guys was $230 plus sales tax, probably works out to like $260. So getting them for $400 is like a really good price. I'm so happy for that price. I don't know how. I think this is such a sick looking pair of shoes. I guess most people just don't feel that way about them, or there was just a lot of stock, one of the two. But I think this should be way more expensive than it is. I mean, like, it's such a cool model, first colorway of a brand new model, and they got the colorway name right. Like, this really does look like an alien shoe. Okay, so word to the wise, if you guys were wondering about these. Most comfortable Yeezy by far. I've worn these already in the Philippines, but most comfortable Yeezy by far, if you ask me. Like, the upper hugs your foot, not too tight, not too soft, just right, like the middle bear, Goldilocks. The middle bear. I sincerely apologize for the terrible lighting and my mismatching socks, but wow, like, these things feel and look so. I would honestly wear them with these pants, no problem. They're not like tightened. I'd have to tighten them up a little bit more, but I would wear them with these pants. 100% agree, disagree. I'd have to fix the sock problem. I think these things look so freaking good. I don't know what the deal was with the release on these. Like, some people were saying it was like a sample only, like all of these are sample pairs or something like that. I'm not really sure what the deal was, but the release was only on Adidas and Yeezy supply, I believe. I don't think any retailers, any brick and mortar retailers actually got these. I was in Japan on a 15-hour time difference, so I'm honestly not sure what the real release parameters were. How much would you pay for these? Like, what's your threshold? $230 retail, would you pay that? I'm pretty sure everyone would be willing to pay that, but would you pay $300? Would you pay $350? Would you pay $400? Like I paid, I thought that was a great deal. I think these go for around $550. The resale is weird. The big sizes go for more money. Big sizes never go for more money. If you guys aren't aware of that, it's like size 8, 8.5, 9, 9.5 that are the most expensive, except for these, the 12 and 13s are somehow the most expensive. Weird, weird. It's nice feeling the other side of that for once, having to pay more money for my big foot. Okay, it may or may not be 7:30 in the morning right now. Still on Japanese time. My body's still on Japanese time, which is 14 hours off of New York time. I just couldn't sleep. Just couldn't sleep. So it's technically Saturday now. I'm still awake, and before we get out of here, I do need to give a huge thank you to the sponsor of today's video, Ridge Wallet. And not only does Ridge Wallet make amazing wallets, they also make amazing backpacks as well. This is the backpack I've been using from Ridge Wallet. It is just amazing. It's so comfortable. It has a USB charging port. It has waterproof zippers. It's just an amazing product. I've been using like a Herschel Supply Company backpack for the past 6 years, and I just sort of got used to how that felt on my shoulders. Not the best. And then I put this on with like my heavy laptop and my camera and my chargers and everything in here, and I wore it for like 5 hours without any problem. And then the wallet, on the other hand, it's sleek, it's simple, it's minimal. This one is made out of carbon fiber. I have another one that's made out of titanium. They have so many cool materials and designs on their website, and everything you buy on their website has a lifetime warranty. So no matter how long you own it for, they guarantee that this product will last. It's seriously a really amazing brand. I love the guys over there, and the product that they make is phenomenal. So make sure to go check it out with the link in the description, and with the code in the description you get 10% off with free worldwide shipping. If that is not a good deal, I don't know what is. So thank you to Ridge Wallets. I appreciate you guys, and they support me, so make sure to go support them. Pick yourself up some great products, or if you're looking for Christmas gifts for your brother, your dad, your mom, your mailman, buy them a wallet, because everyone needs a wallet, and this is a really nice wallet. So that being said, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate every single one of you. I'm gonna try and get some sleep, as you can see by these massive bags under my eyes. I am painfully overtired from the last month of being in Asia, being in North America, being in Asia. 15-hour time differences back and forth suck. Guys, I will see you tomorrow at Soul Exchange. So until then, Peace.